Elliot W. Karponzis was not a man of steel, but a man of light foam that was extremely easy to penetrate. He dedicated his life to being as woke as humanly possible. He wanted everyone to be as woke as a walrus, and as docile as a koala bear. One thing he always mentioned was his push for the younger generations to be more docile, forgiving, and understanding. He often said that if this day were to come where he would ever die, he wanted his battle for wokeness to never end. He always wanted it to live on until the very last construction worker laid down their hammer and decided to code for the Tumblr website. He will now be lowering his casket. Say your goodbyes. Brother Elliot E. Karponzis, you've been chosen to inherit these items. What looks to be a toy laser gun. Strange. And the sacred pronoun pearl, a relic of Mr. Karponzis worth millions. Oh, sweet, I'm definitely selling this. Well, that concludes the funeral service. I must become woke! Three jumping jacks! No whining! And we're all getting too close to this! I'm gonna go and shove this piece of plywood up my ass! Mr. Birchum, we're having our annual anti-bullying desk assembly, and as reparations for destroying the pronoun machine, I'm going to need you to do the heavy work and make a deal for me. Oh, I thought you were in the Navy. I tried it out and I liked it. The pronoun machine. It's here to stay, Birchum. My pronouns are now she, they. Anyways, there's a man on the other side of town who gets bullied quite a lot for having a nice, tender, juicy rump. It's quite tender if I do say so myself. Is it Mr. Rumplebottom? Precisely. You know where that nice, huge mega mansion is, right? Everybody knows where Mr. Rumplebottom's nice, smooth mega mansion is. The old man of the mountains says he can see it from his eye. The old man of the mountains likes to swing his dick around like it's a ceiling fan. We can all see it, rather unfortunately. Now get going, big boy! Who dares to knock on the grand oak door of this Rumplebottom? Oh, oh, oh! The grand slam of the grand oakwood door vibrates my nice, smooth, tender cheeks! I'm from the local high school. I'd like a conversation with the rump man. Sir, you're supposed to address him as Mr. Rumplebottom. So what? La la la, come on in. Brandy! What did I tell you about inviting disgusting peasants from outside inside my mansion? These disgusting wenches compose quite the rest of my giant, juicy rump! Sir, he was extremely intimidating. I got scared. Eek. You need to toughen up, Brandy! Except around me! Me! Aye, sir. Well, now that you already have, spill the beans, you disgusting prostitute! Well, I'm very aware that you're constantly bullied for having large ass cheeks. How dare you bring up my trauma! I knew I should have invited you in! This is why everyone is a disgusting prostitute! Ow! Well, we want you to come to the school and speak at our anti-bullying school assembly, mostly about how your trauma from people constantly bullying you about your large ass cheeks, and how you've come to deal with it, become stronger, and dominated the bullies. I personally think kids need the bullying so they can be manly, but I was sent on the school's behalf. Oh, that sounds like a great idea! I love to teach the masses about the importance of respecting me, myself, and I!
What about me, sir?
Shut your disgusting pie hole, you disgusting escort! Ow! 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 So I'd just like to let you know, when should I arrive at the academy further north from here? Oh, howdy! 10:30 a.m. I suppose. Oh, howdy! I will be there! Mr. Karponzis, you're alive! Her.
No! I'm his brother! I want to continue his mission to make the world more woke!
Okay, I've been needing some help laying down the law around here recently.
Good, this should be easy, right? Should it be?
Well, I wouldn't say that. There's this teacher by the name of Mr. Birchum. He wants the kids to be strong, manly, and really lay down the law.
Oh, really? Is that true?
Don't worry, I can keep under control. He's only here because, he shouldn't be a bother. I might have exaggerated him. I've become woke too. I've learned the woke ways. I am now a wokey.
Oh, I am so delighted. La la lady lady la.
Elliot E. Karponzis, you are hired as the assistant principal.
Good. The school will finally be docile and soft.
Nathan, get that oil brick out of your hands! What could you possibly be looking at? I want to give her a hug. Well, maybe you should hug a bandsaw, you fucking dickwad! But I'm scared of the bandsaw. I only feel safe in my Friday Night Funkin' themed bedroom. Oh, yes. Well, maybe that's because the bandsaw is scared of you!
He should be scared of that bandsaw, Mr. Birchum. All these tools really give me the heebie-jeebies. My wang!
No! Get out! I thought you were dead!
Oh, no. I'm his twin brother. I want all of this dismantled. We are going to put a pronoun factory here, a pronoun shop, where the children learn the trade of making and using pronouns.
No!
Oh yes, Mr. Birchum. I bet this disgusting woodshop crap isn't part of the curriculum. I doubt it.
Actually, yes it is. Woodmanship is an integral part of the school.
No it's not.
Unfortunately, it is. I've been trying to get the woodshop remodeled for years. Unfortunately, I can't really touch it. It's very sad. Boo-hoo-hoo.
Well, Mr. Birchum, I'll make sure to mold you into the docile kitten you're meant to be. Meow, meow, meow. I'm a little kitty. Meow, meow, meow. I'm a little kitty. La, la, la. Meow, 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 meow.
Good luck, big boy. Your father failed to do so. I am like stone.
I am like glass. I am extremely docile. And I break easily, and that's the way I want to be. La, la, la. I'm a little teapot. La, la, la.
Your glasses look dumb.
How dare you? Mommy, moo, moo. I'm a little teapot. Mommy, moo, 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 moo. Mommy, moo, moo. Mommy, moo, 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 mommy.
Yes, I want to use my Maplewood flashlight. Mr. Bitch, you want to have a boxing match? I think you need to keep your manliness in check. Oh, sure, Pop. Hey! Eddie! Get me a nice glass of brandy, and not like Mr. Rumbottom's submissive butler, a glass of brandy. Oh yeah, Eddie is away at a convention. I've been meaning to check the mail. Hey, Mr. Birchum, do you want me to get my dick out again? Get off my property! No, sir! Then get off my property! I'm having a bunch of women over here for some martinis, and I want it spick and span. Move your boot or I'm gonna whip my cock out. Okay, geez, Mr. Johnson. Tomorrow should really lay down the law. I hope things go spick and span.
I don't think this guy is docile.
Shut up and listen.
Hello there! I'm all I could just spend an hour talking about my giant juicy rump and why you shouldn't bully me! What is this? He seems to be toxically masculine. When
I was a young lad back in the United Kingdom of Great Britain, the school children always made fun of my nice smooth ass cheeks. Ew! As you can see, they are rather large and plump, and I take great pride in them. So I loaded some pellets into my flintstock pistol and shot the rapscallion bullies dead. Gone within a flash! Ew, how giddy! That's how I dealt with most of the bullies in my life, from my adolescence all the way to the modern day!
You aren't supposed to do that, sir. You're actually supposed to cry about it and think about it all the time. La la la.
Stop interrupting me! Anyways, I want you children to remember to always stand up for yourself and never let anyone else put you around.
Alright, I've had enough. Ugh!
And that concludes my assembly. And remember, children, always stand up to the bullies. Stand up to everyone except me. Always blindly follow my orders, because I'm cool and have a smooth ass cheeks.
Mr. Birchum, come outside right now. You've chosen the worst possible person for the assembly. We need the kids to always be waited on, never meant to feel bad. And you've not done that. No, no, no.
I didn't actually choose the person for the assembly. I don't know if you knew that.
Well, whatever. You still stand for everything I oppose.
Newsflash! Like how I like to flash my man boobs.
It's time to die. Ugh, I hate those 1%ers so much, especially Mr. Rumplebottom. I think the kids should learn code and live in studio apartments. Oh, oh, oh.
I'm sorry! What? It's time to die, Mr. Karponzis.
Both of you are going down. I hate the 1%.
You're dead now! How dare you try and cut off a slice of my nice smooth cake! Brandy! Back up! This could be a good time to hurt. Who is this disgusting wench? The name's Gob, and I only intend to hurt. Amazing! You are finally sinking it to those damn Wokies! I only intend to hurt.